Hey everyone, so in today's video we are going to discuss how to analyze reasoning in mock test. So I have attempted this mock test. This is SBI clerk free mock test and we are going to discuss the reasoning section today. If you want quad and English analysis part, I will give you the link in description, plus I have made the playlist also. So this test is from Oliveward and the analysis part of this mock is very good. The analysis part is very good, so they give detailed analysis and they focus on the weak and strong areas also, so it is pretty good to attempt the mock from all award. Now we will move to the reasoning section. So here I have opened reasoning section. So in reasoning what you have to do is, if your direction sense question is wrong, then try to attempt 20 questions of direction sense that day. And for these type of questions, if you are able to do these questions at the last end, if you are able to make the word, then it is good. Otherwise try to skip these questions and attempt these at last. Then there are silo questions. If your silo questions are right, then it is fine. And here why this question is wrong, so try to solve 30 questions of silogs that day. When you start doing wrong questions, like after leaving the practice of prelims level questions, many questions start getting wrong in the mocks. So try to solve these questions daily, like do 10 silogs daily. Otherwise on the day of mock test, try to solve 20 silogs if you have made wrong questions, and try to see the timing also. So if the timing is right, then we can move to the next question. Now this is sitting arrangement question. After attempting the mock, if you are unable to attempt the sitting arrangement in the mock, then do it without timer, and then again do it with timer and try to see the time. Here I have took 101 second and I could not attempt this question also. So this is a weak point because I could not solve it after giving around 2 minutes. Try to solve 5 questions of sitting arrangement of prelims level daily. Then it is also question of sitting arrangement. Then there are inequality question. For inequality, I would like to suggest you Banking Chronicle channel. The same is for inequality also, like Silog. If you are doing wrong questions of inequality, then try to solve 20 to 30 questions of inequality daily, because prelims level inequality is very easy. So that's all. Now here it is another puzzle and it is also sitting arrangement. So if the puzzle was good and the timing is also good, like it is 1.5 minute, then we can see that this is the good time and we need not to make this again. Okay. Then next is also puzzle. Yeah, here is also another puzzle and the timing is 3 minutes, but I was able to solve it because in 3 minutes we get 5 marks. So it is not a very bad deal, because if we are getting 5 marks in 3 minutes, then it is pretty good. Okay. Now this is flat floor puzzle and it is also correct, and it also took like 3 minutes, but I was able to get the marks from it, like 5 marks. So it is also good. Try to decrease the timings of puzzles by applying the timer while solving them. So this is alphanumeric series And if you are weak in alphanumeric series, what you have to do is just try to solve 5 to 6 daily of prelims level, and you will see the difference if you are unable to solve them in mocks. This is also alphanumeric series. Now these are the questions which we have to skip at first, because many times we are not able to mark the answers of puzzles. Like, we are able to solve the puzzles, but then when we are marking, our time gets up. So what we have to do is try to skip these type of questions at first, and then after doing all the questions, then try to attempt them, because these are short questions and they can be solved in like 30 to 40 seconds. So it is good to skip them at first, because if we try to solve them at first, then we won't be able to get time for our puzzles. And it is important to solve puzzles, because puzzles give us 5 marks. So those are more important. And try to solve the reasoning section from 1 question to 35, and skip questions in between like this. Okay, then next is also a puzzle, and I have solved this puzzle in around 2.5 seconds. And I think this is also a good time, because we are getting 5 marks from 2.5 minutes. So if the timing is correct, you need not to worry. This puzzle was of this puzzle was ear based puzzle, and these puzzles are very easy. Don't skip these puzzles. And if you are weak in puzzles, then I will suggest you to go for 1000 puzzle series of Ankush Lamba sir, because he has solved many puzzles in that 1000 puzzle series, and it is pretty easy to understand if you are solving puzzles daily. And for 1000 puzzle series, you can watch his classes, and these are for free. So you can see all the questions of this puzzle are right, and we need not to worry about this. So that's all for today's video. And if you are weak in puzzles, what you have to do is try to solve the same puzzle for 4 times or 5 times. Like, first you have solved it without timer. Okay, then for second time try to solve it with timer. Like, if you have taken 4 minutes in any puzzle, then when you are solving it for third time, try to solve it in less than 4 minutes. Okay, in this way you will reduce the time of your puzzle solving, because then your mind will start calculating very fast, like how it have to put the conditions, and note down the condition first and then try to solve the puzzles. Okay, so this is it. And don't try to skip puzzles in reasoning, because puzzles are the main part of reasoning, and we can't be able to clear the exam without puzzles, because puzzles make our brain strong. So it's important to solve puzzles in practice and in mocks and in real exam also. So that's all for today. I have made a playlist for how to analyze mock test. So if you want English and quant analysis part, it is provided in that playlist. You can check that playlist on the channel. That's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.